It projected your friend surplus no. And Fasudia and after Tikai Binya, and the free Galimu, a Dana Yedi no. It's a wood digger and after what Tomadia, none say, Ubenya Pia, so be
no crap.
And now Mamia or Toanka will teach you where I would say, Tika Botany man and say, one Franco Toancano. What to one hour would be done with the two, and then you gave 3 years out. And car a do not declare a boy 11 a.m. Naka Bakupe. Necessary no business capable. 80 so would be got there's always the possibility that we send you to some year day, it is the apple. So I'm sure that's the reason here. Yeah, there's some man upon the two. And go body, you be a baby, and I hope the same will be. Yeah, one of the state agencies, all my muha. Yeah, they your quarterly report to Tuga. Yeah, the trade report to Tuga. It's yeah, in fact, good what is a Bible. Yeah, be your promise, be that one to be near air course.
And you know,
say, over the same about, yeah, refer to your website and another. So you move the major confirmation. Martin, I'm not going to put through any Ghana for any show. Martin, enough is enough. Tell me, 8 years, Brian Brand, woman. Make up Brian Brand. I'm referring to. Then get me wrong.
Hello, Minia. Oh, I don't know why, but one last question. I'm a person maybe say good board. I didn't publish your Mwankasa. One own audited and itemized breakdown of one more reports na see about trading margin fees, see about exchange rate effects, rather than relying on IMF disclosures. I was here. Be it you.
I think my baby.
What baby?
What baby? If you want training, if you want asking Dan there, you know, you're not even able to copy IMF. Sabre, I yet see a wood street, that coin a dear IMF. Why would you get any, and you want, and you would there. So finally, you're not a new group. That drama, you hear, and that one, Madame, you know, you see, you know, you think I'll see, you know, and you're not branding. And then all of a sudden we are fighting over something that does not even exist. All because a certain Bretton Woods institution said this is so. Well, then go into the nitty-gritties of the issue, that's an appreciation of our crown water. Fundamentally, fundamentally, I'm sure one day they will look back and say, oh, we got this wrong. I did it back.
What was that? This IMF disclosure, see, a bar, a hard drink, a crap. Now, my name is a gold bond and Casancasano. Mobile publishing own audited, itemized breakdown of the domestic gold purchase program performance. So, mobile with the trading margins, beba, fees, beba, with the exchange rate effect, beba. So, Sanya Mane Beto Bontinga. I don't think, say, Yankasankasano, as or mine. Will be relying on IMF disclosures. Is there that intention?
Makacho no say okoye website one krampa yewo maybe I actually said trade reports. It is a common as those itemized
SOMPA FM.
So a idea that kwemwa ye babe in fact you need to aye and in the coming days we will track your website now I check it money now.
All right.
About the period that you can trust both board. Then we are in the news. Why? We are in the news because we love to tell our own stories.
Now, who be for the source of that figure now made it to Jano, and it's emanating from your own story. Gold Board is Ghana's gold story. Let's build it together, not tear it down. By Prince Kwame Minka, Media Relations Officer. So that was where I got these figures from.
It's in the article now, and Bakuna, so I'm a trip for Bretton Woods institution. What can kind?
I know the Minyan share, but I'll read that one to you, and then at
a later time. Nyabrana can kind of editorial not with you for no multi.
Mate, why? Mate. Media, you better say now. What who say me follow pa? We follow each other. We follow Goldborn. Seriously. Now, this one is just not part of the conversation, but Samijan Fee is somebody me personally, my mini and MPS Tanaha, and I'm a catcher in MPS say, Sir Branty and Ghana or Baby president. Mama shut the
from your lips to God's ear.
Yes. Well, Samijan Fee, Obedi president, Umpo, Maka. And to go and catch as a mayor, Bochi, say, Samijan Fee, Obedi president. Now, Mamina say.
What happened? I ever see you.
Oh, but upon your markings about Ababa admit to say. And yes, a time be no what time. Now, dear, walk in the say, what I said, what in the year, said the Baya or Chile be no. Sir, what if you are very a friend of to come and encounter over who can over fast or back counter and go some anybody.
Mammy can't see Joe.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you lie, dear. And then but then I lie. Okay. That was all castle be actually, but my uncle, I've been good to some crowd, so catching me. I said, yeah, the Commodore Abbey. I ain't going to had into the overcast, Sana, yeah, the Commodore Baby. As someone else would die.
Back one day we will have you, but let's say, the Ukonyani Judas, Judas, we use mine. Thank you to me. I giving you about as a woman. Now, and now that say, then we use Suma or some of the car. Something else can say. There's always a justification for everything. But near a year, need a whole bonnet. Oh, yeah, obey.
And to when the old patch said, you're more year, and need a whole bonnet and no more year to be you.
Maybe some come ask them to what you can see in here.
Sir, and therefore, I'm telling me, more monkey can see in here. Because Obama can see it, no more who baby, as some no ever quack could do. And you know, many will you know, dear IMF at the Ababatua Bonting as a brie. Ama manfo enye nyina so bia wo mo de kasatia eye gold board ene owura sabe gemfino sansam no nyina no which disregard it say disregard ya mo respond officially to the statement from IMF.
The official response and your press statement in kwa.
Okay.
You will sabe gemfia grant a number of interviews.
Sure.
It's yakasa ama ma thing inate. Many would in community abri. So when the gold board Kasama for the Dinkobo.
No great.
It's a response to the Diamano. Response to very simple. Fundamentally, appreciation of a year transition from PMMC to gold board era. And we say, Oman to Honasi. It's a moment for me. 1 year, Omoka, a Kabiaba. And near Yaka, power, some outwaya. Media to any day, and they say, Oko auditor general's report in one, now Oko good board and crater one. Auditor no crampa and dine it say, Yaboka do a baby. Enti, so because a good board aboka, a young and a dancing gay. Grapasemu say it, Adia within a new who say I did no home for you. Everything will be unfair beyond.
Yeah.
So what are we talking about?
Really, and then my info common in see, but we want to wish you well. Na ejuma na mo born so no minim say ejuma eboa amagana economically no ye betimi anya asundwe. Once again, we want to say a big thank you for making time with us. Why?
SOMPA Wilson, me yam sheme ta.
What's it? Ekadenka me ni eyase, me ni apaka Wilson a okumase. Me ya from ABOTCHIE na me otachiman eti afi na baba na me otachiman baby na ya akona ma wo UTV baby na o man hene kwabra sante wo akua boachi wa ya dom wo aha eti no afi
You're producing no more.
And you will have better time, Nisha. Why? There you didn't come. All right, just hear that's it. Abusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM. Senior Prince Kwame Minka, Head of Communications. Emma Goldborn, artist, Seminole AD and Kobo. Many say, Nabons. Now they'll dear me, though. Nabons, let's say. But so microphone, the boy. Now be able to here. Bibia fresh.
Bibia koso. Eguso. Justice and accountability. Eguso boy adwuma.
Hey. Yes. Justice and accountability. Eguso boy adwuma.
Boy adwuma den.
Good.
Prof.
Yeah.
So ho here.
Me ho here.
Woni adwuma efo nyina. Adwuma pa wo ye no credit enti e do be ko wanim papa.
Me o say me no. Say white. Black.
Sa pe. Bibia nka ho.
O say nanu me tire fidie su ka say.
Yes.
Abrante bi te say kojo opon kruma.
Yes.
Sa abrante ne say Ghana for a hwe ne ya obebo man Ghana.
Also betimi abedi president.
And in the NDC, the person I've seen with that eye way back Sami Yenfi.
Yes. Also betimi abedi president.
Also betimi abedi sure. And Sami Awuku.
And so can who be
another man.
Yes.
So what I say.
Sanko for me
and you know Ghana wo. Ye di amanyo sama say ho.
Say no ma bebre. Prof Anyagro.
No, ye di amanyo sama say ho.
Say no ma. Say no ma. O say no kredie no. Ba bia no kred dan yemfanto. Do be ka no kred so an ye tata.
Ne tata no.
Oh.
Prof, ye ka no kred.
Dabi.
So depending ni wafa na nipa no ya
at that side ya.
There be oya dia no wa bona baso.
San also bona baso. Oye ni ya bona baso.
Wanye ni ya no waka.
De anya no waka. Bia koya nim. No ma ne ko da nim.
But enfa man yo sam
enwura mu basa.
Enkata weni enye sa.
Sa de no na ma Ghana intimi ntumpo no. E be hai.
Kojo pon kruma. Se woye wonua nka wo mpe.
Wo mpe se.
Woye wo papa nka wo mpe.
Ope.
Woye wo fa nka wo mpe. So we don't have to go going after them like that.
Prof, and me da se pa no akwanya ade amane amaduru ha.
Yeah, na bonsu.
Yes.
Me wo Bible bi a me pese me no share.
Mate.
On those people aya wo mo yes an e ma no. Pull him down. Attitude no. Enya de pa.
Enye.
Uni akoso anaye wo ya na wo twene. Okay, this story in the Bible. Okay, this story in the Bible.
Patrol catch me.
Cain Abel.
Yes.
Wabra eye Cain ekum Abel no.
Yes.
Me bisa o say. Nyame a yesom no a ye nyina ye di nachi a ye hwe no a oboa ye no. O chusu Cain. When chusu Cain.
Dabi.
Cain ekum Abel no. Nyame chusu Cain. When chusu no.
Dabi.
Because he was not a chosen one. And you know, and from Bonnie Kwanso, and Kwasa Unia thinking, say, Unia no say na. Wow, who be sa position.
Wow, and no cram wow. A man is on Quanim. You Parliament gentlemen Koso Cassin in Africa free side.
Bringing others down will never be the path
to
your elevation.
Yes. Sorry, so
bringing others down.
Wa unua say bia wo ye na ye. Enso kra
elevation.
Oh.
Ye dwuma mu e wo bebia.
Ye fia ye titimu. Bebia ye adwuma edwem everywhere.
Oh, there be. And I won't shoot. Sometimes we trust the
an ordinary.
An ordinary.
Young Kwan in the page.
Mama yamfa or door. And tenacity no credit
nyemfa mu mine na mine nko nanim simple
Jay Kufu ba Ghana obeya ade say ye nyina ye bona baso
yes do obeya ye papa ye beka we na anya yesu ye beka ho ase simple
na bo so be sometimes wrong me tenacity pan na me hwe amanyo for no na amanyo for no na won omonam amanyo sam so ebi ka papa ebi sey ade a when you say idea no edu I can't think for
yeah the hardin
na bon so I can't think for
yeah the hardin because abrante Sami Jamfi abrante obaye me kra say God board buy na ma me hu say PMMC na useless me na me catch God board na ma me say useless
na nipa da sanity meeting as ka say Sami Jamfi ye ba power on your medical action.
Unyama power no target say obi ya the power power because e bia sinti nipa na anya bibi am ya ni say nti so ba obefa kwam bia so fa so what hata nipa for what say study city stability here wo say here gold board ne back is ade
no kre
sata man PMMC wo ho no na dollar ne nko 20 na fa so ba ne nya free so gold board buy akra nyansa sami jamfi na kasa akra ni nyansa hwe ba bi o ma sidi agina wo ya adwuma abochi mame ni kanchia opanyi kase ona bo Anthony Kwesi Sapon commissioner general Ghana Revenue Authority
o ta chana pa o u feel no
me adwuma me ye no justice and accountability wo ye adwuma na nya prof ye beka si wo ba ko a ma hwehwe adwuma ma hu so obo adwuma pa ye ona bo Anthony Kwesi Sapon
na ede na ede na ko pie shiraj
wana de no ko chirai wana de no ko chirai
ya fa no go pie
wana de no ko ye
maybe sa what justice and accountability
and say who pan no de no ko ye no ye hwan ya abochi pan no de no ko ye ye hwan ya
be dia kwa
wo so aye dey wo so aye dey wo so aye dey nipa ye adwuma bi na wo ka
but so wunim
ebi na wo ka say nansi twitwa no na me enko anim sa de wo ya ekoso wi na say nipa ya wo bo ni din papa no unim so ni free kro ba ko
omumi ye no free kro ba ko be dia ko ne
simple yes
sa
ama asemo enka ama tama woni hawa woni excuse me to say woni say no operation kanyina ono na fire
really
me na make a chone Anthony Kwesi Sapon for operation ka bia obedi akon o ha onka boboa me na make bedi akopa ebusa no wonya obone ukrom ni no wasemi nua menhwe emoni mfra efri kro ba ko enti bibia no aba na so ohu te bibi ana me bibi koso na nya o me ho abetimi aba me nkyene be ka kyerem sese wo ba ye bibi ahwe no odi ka pa bibi kro no bi ma e kire wo sa ba bi no ka se hwe GRA nipa ekop GRA nipa ekọ GRA papa ne ho ekopem ho na ka kyerem wa you be shocked
really
nipa ba ko ntime nkọ ne enko kyena enko adekye enti so onya bibi mu na o kyerɛ wo se o kyena ma me hwɛ unua bi so bi na that o ekire wasa ya ba e ya bufu asem wo de bi ya mi shadel sadia na edma bi o de ne ko try je okopa acho yes okopa acho e ma case rom twa no akopa acho abedi akono
sa case no bedi akono na okopa acho
yes e ma case no o mutwem ono kopa acho wo de aye no o sadia kwa no mu papa wie prempe college on boa papa na adwuma ekoso giare nyina bebre su gira akora ne so eno so bedi akota ata no papa ne ka se minya ma o so ba no office o ba onu obi ne bai oni nkofo no bai no ena o fra o sebra ena so oni nkofo na nam na no mo na o se no wo ntimi ma mo nyina mo nwura mo atwans because so na minimum sa nkofo nti twen na sa wo ba na se metie wo nkomo ne se me fra o ma di wachi na memo ma ba o ye panyini o ka wo ya aka bone na sa no ma wa nyina wo ka wo ntia se nam de wo kwacha akwesi sei wotimi mmia gya Kwesi Sapon da na meka bedi akọ ntimi mmia mpama Kwesi Sapon emfri GRA because o ye adwuma pa o buy smugglers wachichi wo mo taxes ya nyugu nkofo botom watwam nkofo bebre na ho na o mudidi no ade no wo papa no wana wo be hu sa de wote o ye obi obu ne ho kata asihye ne program ne ho on pesa no ma no on pasisi o se de dara kuma so no say Ghana ya taxes be ko ya nima mpuntu akọ nanim no obi abeka so obedi ye to de obetu so sa da bia da sem o kan no enti abaso bo ene wo se edema ante se de wo se edema Sami Jamfi ba gold board ama sidi no me nka sem wo ye papa me kan boni ameka sidi no ama na gina gold board me se first na PMC wo ho no na a useless gold board man who say useless me na me ka kire one
arrange na who say useless
there na that dollar na do 20 Ghana say dollar is say Sami Jamfi ya adwuma o ya branch ya na ni so ade hu no o ma no ya adwuma men ka se obi amfo so kakra ni ne ho e bia adwuma bia ya financial institution bia ka kakra so wom e betimi aba say afenyo markets wo case but case na wo no nka say the papa bebre na wa ye na e be say no mama obi ya ade ya mo na baso no nya on say obi ya ade na abo na baso a e ma ne nya kokoduro e ya ade pa de ko nanim but ase utwitwa ne nantia na wo say progress ni nyina anya nice Masro my own institutions organ ha to be the boni on be friend pakro no so we discuss bata hano emfa hwema and I'm kojina haka and I'm kojina haka and I'm adentina afanyo no there a gold board no ma bebrebe a and bebrebe nyina ntini nyina ade sami jamfia nyina ni nyina anye obi ye papa bonabaso obonabaso na do point bi na aka bibi se we nkoyi obi abeju atum say yes da bia o kana asem so we ade we na and na waka we dey right
me pacho ye nko na nkotie afenyu markings dey okay.
And let me land on this gold board issue. I want to say something to our brother Sammy Jenfi. Sammy, MPP, nobody hates you. Abno Sayasari doesn't hate you. I don't hate you. We want the best for you. Some of the people you think are your friends today, that you deploy to attack us merely for questioning certain actions at gold board, may not be there for you tomorrow. So take it easy. When we raise issues, take your time and respond. Don't come and attack us. Don't engage others to attack us because we criticize gold board. You were very loud, Sammy, when you were in opposition. You raised critical issues. You were the loudest in opposition. And I'm sure you should have a certain level of tolerance to even listen to the issues we raise, because most of the issues you raise are issues that have been reported by the IMF, by institutions that are credible. So we are not after your person. We are after the excesses in the activities at your institution. So please, don't take it personal. Let's work together. Let's understand the issues. When we raise them, take note. Because one day, some of these things may come back and haunt you, and maybe a media person that is supporting you today may not be there for you tomorrow. So let's understand each other and show our collective mutual respect. You see, I would do another thing. Our friends in NDC have become so intolerant. When you raise any issue, then they become personal, attack you, insult you, engage some bloggers, engage some pseudo, whatever on social media, to now go very personal. They are so intolerant. They don't want to hear criticism. But things are going wrong. A lot of malfeasance, a lot of wrongdoing. It's our duty to discuss, to raise them. Theirs is to listen and adjust and get it done right. It will save them themselves tomorrow, like my brother Sammy Jenfi's issue I'm raising. It will save him tomorrow.
Foreign call. Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Say me feel London, echo US. No crowd who cry from me, Mania. Na Papa mo what to say. I radiate my habako. Nana could just see. Echo Bassin Penemo. There were Toma Densi Hunyamanonso. What's your dear? Oh, what's your ho? Equoba. Messi or Bodjuma Cross the Canenwa. Now what do US want some man for Bondin Sana? Hey, Papa, US Hakuradi. Nana could just see Company Limited at Jibebia. One more Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. A bad Densi Hunyamadia. Obian sin Nana could just see Company Limited. Namatissa will be a depo Siebi. What could you free? Accra we can swa depo. Any pocracy the Anokra Tonchaya. Was our boo a Quaterman, Tantra Hill, Iron City, a man from. Was a be a depo Cassian our Koshiman. Kumasi Sapasi de Porocra and Chaya. A Biswa Magazine Road, head office no. Will be a depo Cassian our da dientum, a Joshua Accra Road, from a swa opposite Aladi Celia, and Papa Meboshan. Tanoso, Breman, and a month room. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana could just see Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homayen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa kire ne ma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eyadwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Asampa etia. Obanyansa so omunye won kana asam.
Odifo no kan se metiti se buru a anka mesu ama me mai. Me bisa wo na won so se ne oman ne kɔ no woni gye ho. Ana wunya ya anka nsa kyerɛ bi mra. Minim se woto aba. Na nso unim faso a ɛwɔ wabato ne so. Unim wasɛdeɛ se oman ba. Adwuma no woyɛ ne biara esan se etuaban ho etuaduam. Ana wafa na se ɛwɔ awodea. Obi a chinchin wonsa agye wade na nso hu kwan a wonfa so aban nwumakuo ankronkra de no any civil society organizations no unim mo asede adwadifo ni sigasem no tesɛn driverfo mo petrol ne kwan no so tesɛn na gas no nso ye bi sɛ nyina ye man ni ntio mpanifo so aka city krom kwa gyina enti hia odomakoma chiame obrimpon na nakokwa mpoma wɔ sompa 106.5 FM Accra memenda wi ene memenda bia anapa no nson ebikosi nondu wɔ mema nti dwumadie so akai sɛ ne nyina ye mema nti hyɛ nso memenda wi ene memenda bia 7 to 10 am mema nti ye besomsom
Hajia special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local food e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local food ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya bontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 05947972115 for not with them. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No mo ton dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo die frey. Na ye customize the amount. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein na opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say obie say just hot kinky and noa and ye serve ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in chenwa and to fraying and wo 02560688832 na yen customize wo orders ne ma na fa serve wo se de wusi pen pepepe just hot kinky and ye hot.
And let me land on this gold board issue. I want to say something to our brother Sammy Jenfi. Sammy, MPP, nobody hates you. Abno Sayasari doesn't hate you. I don't hate you. We want the best for you. Some of the people you think are your friends today, that you deploy to attack us merely for questioning certain actions at gold board, may not be there for you tomorrow. So take it easy. When we raise issues, take your time and respond. Don't come and attack us. Don't engage others to attack us because we criticize gold board. You were very loud, Sammy, when you were in opposition. You raised critical issues. You were the loudest in opposition. And I'm sure you should have a certain level of tolerance to even listen to the issues we raise, because most of the issues you raise are issues that have been reported by the IMF, by institutions that are credible. So we are not after your person. We are after the excesses in the activities at your institution. So please, don't take it personal. Let's work together. Let's understand the issues. When we raise them, take note. Because one day, some of these things may come back and haunt you, and maybe a media person that is supporting you today may not be there for you tomorrow. So let's understand each other and show our collective mutual respect. You see, I would do. Another thing, our friends in NDC have become so intolerant. When you raise any issue, then they become personal. Attack you, insult you, engage some bloggers, engage some pseudo, whatever on social media, to now go very personal. They are so intolerant. They don't want to hear criticism. But things are going wrong. A lot of malfeasance, a lot of wrongdoing. It's our duty to discuss, to raise them. Theirs is to listen and adjust and get it done right. It will save them themselves tomorrow, like my brother Sami Jemfi's issue I'm raising. It will save him tomorrow.
All right. All right, until SOMPA 106.5 for God and Country, credit to Metro TV. That was where I borrowed this tape from. I didn't know what credit to the source. Okay. Now, Walali, what's a honorable opinion markings? Say, and yet time or time will be na or share at the park at the Amayinia Sami Jemfi. And again, NDC for as a one because under this time, no, you are becoming intolerant to criticisms. NDC for that Muyano saying.
Prof, I mean, Johnny, SOMPA team for in a production team. And of course, my regular co-panelist.
What would you? Na Bonsu.
Oh, opening Bonsu.
Justice and accountability.
Me am Ben.
Wow, they.
Me am Ben.
To say what about
Nancy, the lateness,
2020 organizer.
Post
I say visits not dos.
Yes.
We'll be a visiting. Now, Ufa man and Mema or more visiting away. A man of Dawson. Then I don't know a consultation as organize a day. Okay. Or friend meetings were high, be moved by the fear. And just so good if you are. Now, no, me call up a line and be science and who may have been.
Say, no, catch them young, they shall be yours forever. A committee be a matter.
They're being baby
25.
Catch them young.
They shall be yours forever.
About you, I was here for consultation. I was here, Kobe. Organize a day. The other wings are also under him. Women need youth need now.
And so catch them young. The battles were bad actually.
About the Apajo Canina is the direct opposite of what he's doing, actually doing.
Then why?
The Okanina, everything he has said, what bonus is here, Biano. It is the opposite that they are doing. How much times I mean? Time who? How many times hasn't Sami addressed issues at Gold Board from their transformation, PMMC to now Gold Board? What the brack and someone can president, finance minister, a governor. Obia can want some musa. In Tabra say, a apenody. I don't want that pass on person where you say a Samidin. It's an amihuno. Because all the interviews you me bana meet you. Sami himself now he granted a very lengthy interview. Obi tie ni bi. Nti sem na abno say ni apanyo kan. Ye hu baby ansem ni fia. Eni hu baby ya de kọ. Akwa gina. Eni nyina so bia. Now he's trying to tell us that they do not hate him. They hate him, that's why they are doing that. If you have any contrary look, Gold Board is audited.
Sure.
They go through auditing internally and then externally. If you have any issues of malfeasance and misappropriation and AEB, they usually tell you that look, they don't make the kind of losses that the other parastatals would naturally make. They are into trading of gold. A boy on the bed, a boy market and also. And then they also do not want to shortchange those they are buying from in the country. So it is a whole cycle that must be properly managed. Sometimes it may go your way, cry. There are 1,000 profit be. A channel will be 100 Ghana profit be. At the back in the be a tiaba from Mokakra. You may even have to struggle to break even. So understanding of the portfolio itself, a jumo muye. here pa na me e ho na pese me twen Ghana fo ina adwen akwako gina se bio o man e na yetetre so bi yade na se bo manyi a o se bo na ba so me ni na abun so ya adwen pa
yeah
me ni ya twen pa before gold what was happening PMC wo ho me boa what was the state of the cedi to the dollar ratio in Ghana so am pass ni nim se kwan bi wo ho a ya ye gold ye betimi ato akoton a e benya mfa so a ebe boa ma yesika na eden enya ho den bio so apa na obi nim say bibi sa wo mfi otwe etwemu yi it took some less than 1 year no share gold board and then we are beginning to reap the full benefits of gold board ejuma mo ye but of course it's a human institution after the first year when a report came from this Britain Wood for year and so who say gold board inti ye mom chen e ma me bobu sie bi mu nti no of course naturally they will also have ways to react we know these things aboji ejuma we ya che enya nkwala wo man we say yemma emfa yensan to yensan yemma patcho say mo man peanut bi omu nti no naturally they will put some resistance towards the whole thing and try to create a picture that something untoward is happening. Well, they should bring out the reports. Let's sit down. The CEO of Gold Board has come out with every detailed report. Menka was just even giving us the fact that if you go to their website, all those figures are clearly stated there. Now it will be you, Apenyo and Abna, your words against Ami's word. If you have any contrary information, I try to say, Sebu dear, Yerasame, any Gold Board for Ekano. No cry. Of course, bring it. One day a press conference before. If you have contrary facts, we'll put them out and give Gold Board the opportunity to challenge it. They have come up with their report. Now they are trying to eat humble pie. Baby, I don't know any mom. Seriously, yes, very seriously, any mom, because they are getting embarrassed once the figures are coming out. Once she share Gold Board, and now so yes, she share Gold Board said, everything is bare. Oh, your information you can go through an RTI, any means possible. You can even say your friend because it's here. They are ready to give out information. Go to their website. Every information you need is over there. Look, I'm thinking the MPP is doing some very, very lazy, PR work. On communication here, from strategy ni Benjamin
Asariti ano.
Oben de say na so ni adaje. Ono organizer adwuma hu no odwen. Only time ankasa. The approach for their communication right now is very, very lazy. You know why?
Only time for what?
Oh, we have a studio for a very long time. When it comes to elections, organizers say papa. Nti ono to hey na so mon no sa.
Nti ba turu for sec.
Africa no over points.
Africa no obo no point.
Over studio ya Africa no over points out be and then. Nti ono why hot. So their approach right now is that look, let's try to throw anything. If it sticks, fine. And this answer they will come and retract and then we move on.
All right.
Okay. Apenyo medicine. Apenyo made reference to the Nasami those times. I said Nasami ano yedin pa.
Yeah.
Ubemu Sami used to be a paper sokrano. He makes sure that he goes in, digs in deep, gets his facts. Then I said, or the best studio honoma said the all can you now or bois and then the source with the facts and so yedin. So bois. But MPP don't want to do it like that. We are not going to allow them to just say anything and get away with it. Beka nsem bia fanyina so mma. Ni entina hwa nyenhwe hansa so sorry nkobi nyenyi sade ni etwem yenye biu. Yenye pie mu da. Nti me de na abun so ya adwen pa. Ben wabetina ha nei. Afi na ofa apoyi. Onim na so bufa nchen kakra bi pa.
Mami na say. Mami go tie Benjamin Asari. What do you think?
Prof.
Yeah.
Mencha osronko na mencha minua holale ne nanabunsu. Prof.
Yes.
Obi eni won ma
SOMPA. Obi antan no.
Debi na ye hete no mpo ata na ageden. Ni dwumadi a odie no. Ono ankasa ne integrity is at stake. Because politics ya obi abeja legacy wo ha ye be refer bodin nti se nyame adom na se ama opportunity no na wo ye adwuma ma begina ma ba several radio stations akwa countless times say sameje mfi obi a position na ye de ama no ye ho adwuma simple because o ma ye refine e wa ha
Sure.
Even if it is 2 ton and 3 ton krana,
yeah, starting.
Yeah. So the credit goes to him. Say or born homodin. And also nkyerɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi wɔ waso yɛ hɔ nom na sɛ nya ma yɛ nka ho asɛm.
Deɛ mpa no wayɛ.
No, wohwɛ sikasɛm a yɛsɛ ɔmo ayɛ trading abɔka yi. Mpakyɛ MPP bɛka trading loss no yɛmfa yɛ source ama. Source bɛ ne yɛkɔtu yɛkɔtu IMF meboa.
Sure.
IMF na de report to ba sɛ yɛabɔ gold board abɔka $240 million. MPP nyɛ adwuma wɔ IMF. Ɛna ɔmo website ɛnyɛ yɛn yɛ control. Ɛna yɛ ba yɛn so no abra a ɔmo bɛ share meeting wɔ ha nom a ɔmo ma yɛn hu losses a gold board wa making no. Na Sami Jamfi ne the directors no ɔmo ti meeting asibi. So they should have challenged IMF. No ɔmo mu ɔmo hu sɛ asɛm na ɔmo kan ɛnyɛ nokorɛ. But if we are quoting IMF, near se waboka, Sami Jamfi and IMF, whom should we believe? One is the Ginidi. Because Sami Jamfi will not come and affirm IMF decision, no, or Modia man on just like that, or Beba be defended. But IMF for me at say, a Juma go do a woko cotton yen, Waka could go do Jaboka $14 million. But yeah, no, so say IMF, boy, we live to see. Nti si yɛ ka ho asɛm a didn't do
ɛyɛ $14 million
$214 million ɛnyɛ sika ketewa nti sɛ yɛ kan yɛ IMF o kan bi na wo se nyɛ nokora IMF twa ntro we are all here we will live to see emre ni duru hɔ no mo a yɛse wala bɛba songo na kan na so se egya ne hyewa wankasa wo bɛba
ba sɛ wonim sɛ Ghana ha yɛwɔ auditor general ɛwɔ ha
SOMPA
auditor general afibiano audit accounts and in the findings about bonting. And now it looks as if gold board many a year mintai casano. The war patch in say the Bretton Woods institution you can want some IMF. As I said Ghana a free one asia woman busia and of course this is it was not a position of the gold board on one personal view. Sometimes it could hurt the IMF for them to put out certain figures there and show that ain't yet credible. What's it gonna hire auditor general? Auditor general at the end of every fiscal year, Biano, a year audit. Have we cited any document from Ghana's auditor general, HSA, gold board, Aboka?
Abra na IMF edo omo report on the buy na yenya audit good board omo yearly expenditure and as account. Na that time auditors in file report to BMI. Until at that particular moment, at that time no, na Ghana ni bia wo ho right say ogene IMF e kanidi. Say and then 3 days. And Sami Jamfi, I mean at say auditor general auditor at the report to aba. I'm our publishing report no on my website. I'm on watch say omu di bank adia IMF na kai. So yeah there any ni asem bia o. Yes e mele no duru ono mo a. Na on to ne boase na ba bi o ko ne ho toro.
Emrebe na bedu o.
Prof.
Yes.
Se wo pe communicator pa wa ba wo mamu anu a won ka no kro twa ntra na ye Sami Jamfi.
On kind of crowd twa.
O say twa ntro ye Sami Jamfi.
How?
Nene wo bi di bi ye wo bi kure ntwa na kire omu entro de wo twa bebre.
Entro bet.
Yet Ghana ha na Sami Jamfi betena UTV ka kire ye say hope Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia de ambato na woni kromu a.
I remember.
O say wo to credit a wo to electricity credit a 1 Ghana cedi e ko Bawumia ho straight. It was a kutu pakra say Magana for you to software and fanto and nidra and as fanto credit. One me try draw mamu a. Satam obi any bibi. One fan no any. And then you no kura na IMF o kan ho asem a ye retreat IMF asem a wo kan no. Also wo problem. It say ye dey.
Na say sa Hoptel ho enkomo no. Who are the right owners?
Oh, and they are omo bababe na Sam George. One Attorney General. Omo launch hotel for no. Omo ye omo annual we ya omo invite omo. Sam George in Ankasa and Attorney General Numuton say omo sre Dr. Bawumia said na hotel na nya dia. It was public record. Sami Jamfi timi nya nu ebe pa Ghana fo achew e pa Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia o pa na chew ana wampa ne chew na wo obi anya wo hwe ye bo wa baso kakra wa bokro mo aboka kakra ye kan ho asem a wo ba be complain si ye ta wa gide
anka ba ka se wa bokro
da bi wa boka me ni evidence wa bokro no ensame wo mokro no eye ka eye go board na aboka and the bus stop with the CEO enti ye ka nye kro no ni ye be ma na ye kro no so obi wa evidence a ye be ka se $240 million no Sammy Jamfi afa eno no na wo provide evidence
sure
but as we speak ye ni so obi abokro no ni enim ne say IMF ka kire ye say yakwa akodi gold hu dwa aboka eno an ye ka ho asem obi anko feda e accuse Sammy Jamfi say wa bokro no so ni problem ne dey wa bokro no ye den ya ye bete no sa wo bokro no wo mamu hanom a ye den ya prof ye bete wo emire ni nya nru won a enkase ya nti wo me no ka se be ko asante be ko se wa be ko Enyana almost be say
since 2014
yes,
2015
after ni ache na yeso wo ye kromfu yi nti obokro no wo mamu ha eye Ghana japade ho ensam ne ye ka na so obo ho kro no fa ho asem bi na se wo komete ho a eye dey ye bete wo
day ne beso
day ne bedru
day of accountability
e be happy life
day of reckoning
me na me ka kire wo
I don't know ama
take up pain nsam na ne ye keka no
I don't know ama we dwane no kenoforiata
ade wa kosa take up pain oh yeah prof do be tue ram sesi a oforiata odwene no me se kenoforiata odwene no
sa
sesi omo etia panso no omo de ye ne ye hwe enti ne ye wo ye no hwe sa wo se kenoforiata wa answers to answer questions to answers say wo nso wo ye ode make sure say at the end of you tena no wo nso nya questions bi ama me answer
I know the crowd ayasemo a metenase a metaka kire appointees no say there will be a day of accountability
na no ya obeka say room obi pie ya yesi Sammy Jamfi hu nipa bi atam 200 million ama wa ba be chire enye no kure ema yes oh asem no de ba untimi nsi obi ahụ kwai ma ne samo nkasa wo ba se fa wo ho a na wa ba be tirem wo be tirem wie na se nkrofo say insist say sebe why ye bibi on towoda then you know what to do
I you know sesi ano MPP for no anya de
onti advice me wo ye man wo ye obi a me penance you should listen to advice
I know the same nim
what I say onti advice enye obi a obebo yodiom say wo ya de no say nipa ne pe wasem ye won krofo bi wo won ma genuinely omo pe wasem enti wo ye bibia ombeka ho asem eno nkire so wo ka ho asem no otaw ye pese ejapade Ghana ejapade bi ema youth ni bi so omo nhwe so a ayese ya na
no mind the truck
na ye truck about him said this time around the lives of Sammy Awuku ebe hodu Ghana Lotteries Authority baby anyone nsem ni o baby Ghana institution baby asem Benjamin obepo adwuma youth obepo adwuma
ehoro asem bi da ho
Sammy Jamfi so ba good board wo ye youth ono so obo adwuma ye start ne ye ma omu hu say the more na omo ye adwuma bo man na youth na e wachire no so no e hye ye nkura ma mpanimfo no so e ma appointment no koso mo we don't hate Sammy Jamfi we love him we want him to succeed because so succeed here ebeboa wo man no e mo asame nko a what you say so media won che dollar na obehwe so aye wo man na adwuma sene yesese wo ye no kra na me ni problem
o che o se dey
me se media se wonyi obi a wo be che dollars na sa wo be hwe so aye wo man na adwuma e dia hye nsa me ni problem ne wo ya mo ade no ono ne wo ya mo ama na afe no onchiri se wo di bebom nti se Sammy di kakra na enye hwe because oh there be we won't tell me na
there be asem we are okay
oh na Sammy wo ya dwuma yentua ne command
okay tua ne command
o ne oni
na odi
nti se adwuma na wo ye yentua no ho ka nti adwuma na wo ye na ho na wudidi kakra what you say nti no ye adwuma na ma ye the last time Michiano Kesmi animu ho
yeah
me jina wa no obi from so Benasari MPP no last before your elections here first one now almost postponed you know me ne awa
okay
NDC awa ne wo pray general secretary regional secretary ye koshi amene na na ye co-partner ye wie ye na no ono nso aba omo English way no see Fred me refi
our station man
Kesben it wo wie ye na o si fam no ana omo ka chen so MPP Benasari ni he walked to on one kasa ba me nche no obechia me ati ase na ode ne card ma me on bag mu kra ati ase yenya atamfo
ene kosi say
yenya atamfo
ne krakra
nti ye bompa ya masame say obe succeed
ne krakra
ba o make sure say
ne krakra
say won track no
bena
eno dia ye de ne be ba the right track
ben
say wo otwe ne ho kasa ne o twa sa no onim se na chiachia enti say ye nua same o chia kwan na ye betene no na bibia ye kama so we love him onko so no onye adwuma no na afenyo mark on hit no
me dase me you efin from
me be succeed say na ye be your man no so be koneni
ba ne krakra ne de wan ka de krakra but ye wie ne edu echire ho a ne krakra de bi de bi enye no me say ni
ono camera o wa hwa akwaya agrada de ni bi na me ho akwatere me
we eche fo bu ni margudie ti a na me bisa say de krakra no me pese mu hunu no say MPP ni NDC o mu nyina ye enua baako say o metimi aba betena ha atwa yampia bondo mu pia. They sit over a bottle of beer and rejoice. No more tunsano mienu didi. Na wo mo sere. A struggle of ideas. And tibamu mfane say a yentokwa. I don't think na me twi ma adwen e die siso. I'm going to say na abus.
Prof.
Yeah, na abus.
Em say aboboso ansana minu amonke toyiba. E de emre metimi atu amanyofofo ne say corruption there yenso so nemo so obi yadwuma part said there na kan first no yemo na baso na papa na wom no doso a yen kan no ho asem because financial institution bia wo ha e ka wom e na ka no so ba na se tu ni pakrofo a em so obetie no akọ the right direction ade so ha mene afanyor mat bi o make say edu sa brena journalist for no om yo yodum no bia no obedi wachi no on say e ho no de ankoyi so public official bi yadwuma ya momon threaten say the way an abai bi ba say prof equipment say abai bi ba say
yeah I know the hard paper
abai bi ba there na oye nipa ko because a baby a you ntumi there ba obi ka che me say Ibrahim so ye de no beko
look at this
because yes na enkoyie so obi yemfonso na se trena na se yetwena so kakra eno nche say abai bi ba na so obi nyemfonso na oye na dwuma wo de nani besi no so say moma ye yufu na omo e ba say that wo betimi adi o mampanyin ti say de na e ka opon kroma samia oku ene sami jamfidie me sami jamfi me hu na da minim no but oba ye no say the city no etimi agira no ho pe e na me hu oma PMMC no aye useless.
What's a studio?
Yes.
What about PMMC now?
I useless because now say gold board no dini essence PMMC
no.
Because that time na CD got 20 say na am say eti mesre ombo obi yadwuma pa yemo na baso.
All right.
Since e be man na say abadechi mesre.
Mami na say SOMPA 106.5 FM 24 minutes to 5. I'll activate the lines at exactly 5:05. Say the be I was we drink chire betimi abeboa. But who are a voice note via abusia obetimi di voice note so e dey send via 0249777779 0249777779 what if I you be voice note ni nyina ma me nka say endpoint homeopathic clinic so ya say we see the end to chronic diseases Hajia special local foods eduan papa fie no me pato yankasa Ghana ha enuane a yedie yankasa nuane udun so aduane we die Ghana aduane udi a wa be fili gbeze no me pato open papa pedia Hajia special local foods ebenya ma o so na kasa natural mineral water so ya sene na wi ye kasa natural mineral water so refreshing insure panie insure muda ho efin bi enimu kasa natural mineral water ukro asupitri ni ye catch us when ya typhoid me pacho efin na koi kasa natural mineral water ama for crab efa ekwa amanoni ekoton amane ye amanoni fo nyina enum kasa natural mineral water na me nka obi o say RSYD no Vigi Studios so asene studio eye kama mepe bre na matome boase na mawura eye woni aso ya asene enewei ewo for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM na aye $1 million bribery bi so aba AXA Energy contract bi a yesu say wo munsa kan ye way back 2015 2016 no ehun akwakoba asem yesu ketua bi akwakobem na eye dan na ses ketua na ba ye na eye contract bi a eye Ghana ban ene AXA for the cost share so AXA eye Turkish company enti me mo kase sa contract no se ombeboa ama yenyina mahoden kanea no agina so na ewo contract no mu no eye owura bia na woye former managing director emato edin ebepie mu na edin ebepie mu no se wabomoden afa kweti kwan bi so a sika bia eni kwan so a eni kwan se every eye US abrochirema mu edi ba Ghana ha no eye ade a se sika no finally its way into the pockets of some politicians and some workers at the Ministry of Energy. Now, as some way beto dwano, Dr. Kwabra Donko sa penso no na ono ana no ye energy minister. Wababo ntenga baba kase, wonu de sika bia mfa na ase. Betie Katie Hammond, ono so ababo nten ababa candidate. Na asem way no US court na omubu asem no. Se ye bisa se no kra ben na wa asem we mu Attorney General amayate through the Deputy Attorney General Justice Rimsai say asem we no ade a wo mu ebehwehwe mu kisi ajaben Office of the Special Prosecutor eso atonanum tu say asem we ade a wo mu so behwehwe mu na wo mu hu one year say sikai allegedly has been portrayed by the courts over there in the US, you know, akwako cancer. I think komo we enkomo so enkomo bia enso ye babedi ne newi. Ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Now, I don't know, Wally, enkomo we ba to dwei. What do you say?
Yeah, Abochi. I mean,
na then unimu a ya wa ha ye nimu.
I'm saying I mean, yeah, basically the same news making the rounds.
Making the rounds.
Yeah.
But was it disturbing to you?
Not at all.
And you're disturbing?
Not at all.
I didn't try. Because I'm open so.
Oh, no, I didn't. I may have some connections. So, Charlie, I have this presenter, our bank, very, very good, solid. Mommy, 10,000, me quite dang. Let me just go and headhunt him or lure him for. My this are 10 paper. I was about me by my 500 Ghana. If you can't remember one simple.
If you are one mammy,
one simple. So it is one thing somebody claiming say, well, they need resources to be able to lobby. You know, in America, those things are they're not illegal. Of course, lobbying is allowed. But once it gets to a certain level, in this particular case, you know, it's part of their laws that he engaged. I mean, the charges never
I'll walk it through.
He was found guilty on all three. That is I think Trump and he tried to suspend some of those laws, but because he believed that it is taking the advantage from U.S. companies. On business in
America. Answer number 12. So Emmanuel, lecturer UPS.
Of course.
Unim le pa.
Emmanuel
da unim le pa. Oso mo ya den. Mu na che. Anu ba ha.
Okay.
Da oso me nka nkyere mo se otie mo pa. Na holali ni bendie. Asemo kan no holali ni bendie. Holali ni bendie. Anu pero kai. Enti bato ima wutie ye nga. Dia opo se o ka so no. Ka mo mu ntie. Why? Enti bato beti bi ato aso.
O de dey na te. Ima de dey na te. So so basically, yes, of course, Infantu Johnson say the gentleman is also, you know, a U.S. national or American. That's
and also a Ghana.
And also a Ghana. Yeah, he has dual nationality. So Emrane or Honum.
Asante Kweku Beko.
Yes. Emrane or Hong say only di kwa mufaso nidi. Now most of the things I think scanning through the judgment, you find that a kwana kwa baby. I'm sure that's why of course, I mean, it's international relations, so naturally the names of the individuals involved will not be published.
Will not be published.
Sometimes, even if it's published in a document, it is redacted. Because they feel, say, "Ibia, Emra we I need you American or Bagana ha, Yanesa ne edin."
The charges that were brought against conspiracy to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. Act via America. Violating the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. And the conspiracy to commit money laundering. Allegedly, no. Sikano ekwa omode fast so the ba o man mu Ghana high na enye kwan paso e na omode scanner e baaye na jury no etna say Thursday August 6th 2026 following a 9-day trial before US court US district judge B na womu wie ye no eno mu hu say eye owura beeko owura beeko a we 52 years eye count na omo the board charges na omo the board ni nyina no odi ni nyina hu for and his faces up to 30 years in prison when sentenced. And you know, omo hwe sentencing no it is set for November 10th and ebeshe ase November 10th and ebeshe ase but the order so twim order so twim na media baby enkomo no agwakwa me na kakra ne officials bi a organ ha is our officials no sike bi ababe cancer enu na ya asam sesi ya no because your energy minister D $1 million former energy minister me that say Dr. Kwabra Donko and no me tie no network bi so say anamo asem na mo kan unsan kan sike bia say ukai Katie Amon so na
he was the chair.
It was the chair of
the
energy committee.
Now he's a lawyer for
Kwabra Donko. And I said,
somewhere who,
and you,
and I said, we are about bomb me and he said, poor.
So, ABOTCHIE came to judge. I think there's one misconception out there that nobody has been named in the ruling. Now, that's what has happened.
But positions have been named.
Exactly.
And we know who occupied those positions when they were in government.
That's the first error.
Sure.
Charges now can say last one idea. Conspiracy to commit
money laundering. Yeah.
Money laundering said it here. So that you want from him. Different I would have explained further. Kwame Kofofaswa omotumi twinskefi ebroche directly. They will not trigger any security alert and all those kind of things. So he's a representative of a bank that is facilitating one of the energy near her Kwame doom so time say Sabeka. Let me work join the noom. So the wiring went through his account.
And then it's stated here.
Now the subsequent accounts that should be credited to establish some money laundering and now bribery are yet to be named. In the case of the minister, for instance, or even the members of the parliament on the committee, $46,000. The trail will go on an account. The subsequent accounts that received those monies on the committee have not been named. Bet me up and say, oh, you need cash, not the Kwako. And also proving that in court is extremely difficult. I don't see anyway. So, Ukukru, $10,000, but man, may make committee member in parliament. Say, me, na me pass it, you say, I'm going to deal with. If you did it in cash, it would be extremely difficult, to prove. So, some of the heard charges, and I'm like, we are going to have a problem with investigations here. If you are no, there are trails to his account. So all this car, if he, the people he's representing, yes a beton account mu okay say me dey e be 40,000 be ma me nua ben e wa ha yi ye na di ho dance CSS can beton account mu no say 40,000 me dey ama ben say no na Ghanaian investigations no would have to establish before they can be able to prosecute those people abochi say how na ejina now me something's happening in Ghana right now. Yes, you a lot of cases that have happened, especially this year. It be a dream about our legal systems a lot. We said in that time of case. Be honest about this year. Obviously, my bro 500,000 or bag. Sign a bank or deal loan and an investment or kuchiaka sanitiaka. Exactly the point. Then they didn't want dance here. I also create we all the copy nearby. One for original Amma. In any open court, it falls short of the evidence to prove beyond reasonable doubt. In the say, I'm 100,000 go to MPs, but 100,000 and 1 million comma a minister in charge of the sector. She can't have a bank account to move. Why is the exit? That will tie the minister down. Say, if our account to a minister, no one answer Michiana. Now, when you say the dear dance, say me the 1 million I then, Amano. So now I heard Irakiti Hamon saying that his client has directed him to say. That there is no evidence to the effect say or this car. On cars on this car. There is
no evidence.
With your camera. Because it's going to be a criminal matter.
There's no evidence.
You must establish beyond reasonable doubt. I had the is here. In the back no I didn't share America.
And also only the end there is established.
Yeah, because all the money is wired straight
on his account. Sure.
But where is the exit from his account to the people he claims he gave the money to?
Prof.
Yes,
you see, sometimes issues to never say ye nya ho abotre. Now you accuse your man for wrongly because wow allege no one na say prove nti say anhwe yi a na ye try a man for in public opinion na obon say na later no na akwakoye bibi or the substance of the case no obon say na ya baba ba na political na tell say hwete ni ye ja to hono mo sam for all you know e be a big crab betimi address say yewura asante beko sika na ye say ye demand $1 million no e be edru na account no wa ma obi abi
e betimi
possible obetimi the committee ni din akọ hono mo akọ diska se mama miska we ya
me dem kwa koye
say ama within a be 2 hours 2 days ye be pass contract no e wo parliament am ye nya ratification ama yetimi akoso adidwuma contract na be Ghana
baska no so ma
eno na make am asem no sika ne be ba no na aboji go parliament one wa yen send this can go wa council mu
sir
committees in parliament yen send this na almost sitting allowance kra no tabletop ani eje no
sir
sitting allowance
I don't think I say a brebi atwemo the committee I am say the vetting committee yes he will be the sikebi eko mo kai sa so
ai okuja to na this story about yes but intina make a say hard to prove sansem sa no on say obekaya first case bi ba ya na yewura president out here ne ho bebo mu
about your friend say
Amidu at the back of official one government official one and there president sebe ne bufu ye obedi di atemo a o ka kire say na o ka so o ka kire
atemo na obedi di
o ka say Amidu you stupid o ka kire no o say we you stupid so o be ka kire me say me na me ye official one no bon say Amidu ebe ka say official one John Dramani Mahama president Abra no yes special prosecutor no and the president responded no say you are so stupid say we be catch them me say government official one say comment
no say
the comment
then
okay what's the comment
the reference was with regards to the comment like who would make such a stupid comment
that
it wasn't in reference to
the person, but it was in reference to in some.
Saying it differently would mean
that it would have been so stupid for you to say.
I would verify. I would verify.
So what I say?
So
foreign relations, you know, yeah, no more you careful. So woman for will be a d because at that particular time, you know, who say they are dealing with a certain people. One asem no war hosts here. Enti yewura asante be ko no. Ono na US for ni nanya. Enti ekwaya ono jiska no. Eno na ye so important to the US. Ekwaya wo fa so here with disbursement no. US no ono won fa ho. Ono wa dili awie. Wa me ehu se wo na sika ne ba beduru wo. Ekwaya wo fa so che wo sika no. Eye wo wasem a. So you better say yes, special prosecutor I hint so person or investigations you send your lalika. It's not easy to prove such issues, such acts, and easy so be prove. But for all you know, maybe me attract some documents. No one will say I am passing $46,000 be more a concrophobia. Let's wait and see how it goes because baby I hear drone politicians sabi sikadie no enye easy say obechis politicians say enye easy oh debi enye easy
we are politicians now kasa asam no
yes
say enye easy say obechi politicians
oh yeah na omo ayete omo ni nyina o de hwe judgment ayede ma wom yes say causing financial
loss to the state.
It doesn't mean that one way this can know but why you high ama wo man no actually sika because court to him say we sika no the attorney general no must prove all
beyond reasonable doubt
and no so get easy so be prove
mami nasi
so yan hwehwem na yan hwe say bibi boni bi akoso because obe kai say take and pay say take or pay issue by ya say contract bebre a ye nwo adwuma na ye nhia nso no na esi etu ahonka ye kan ho asem bebre say no say link ni nyina e ko say
but
for contract
I want to commend the US government.
Yes. As for them there prof untimi out smart wo mo da wo omo bi on say yes
I need to
yes,
commend
even
them.
though no omo kro ni email mo kra ne nkomo a odi no onko ne direct o sikasem no kra no omo apedi di mesika na omo ka ho asem
no omo clone no
yes but they were able to see say sikasem and what you say they are so smart obe what they say obe outsmart wo mo emfa but Ghana ha no because of your system ni and then ye bu ye nigu enema bi so a politicians ni bebre wo no mo a no mo afọ mo ho adi
mami nasi Justice and Accountability Forum mami nkotie ayemini anabus mami ti on this
prof
yes
say keta channel prayer there mamu nyi wose asoso asema abai be ko no a ogis ka no ona nim ba bi ogis ka no fire and institutions bebre were expert to come home investigation enti asem se ya once you ogis ka no ekwan bi on be fa so on be hu ba bi ogis ka no ko e bi am ye sure say on be hu enti be sure say o see German institutions no mo ye o madwuma because fa na yo ne be hu no kure wo na so obi di ho fa me madwene say de ne be fa kwan so de na court na mrade na di enu le say ye hwehwe enu ne hia say scan ya mpa so ogi ye no obechiche bi ma obi once ya ono a ogi scan no onim de ode man no institutions into more expert say you what do you call it special prosecutor no ne ade on betimi ehu ko mbe fa so a on be hwehwem ehu ba bi scan ko di ye sankodi ba bi a no ono kwa ne di a say ono dem ena sa abre omo hanso bi ko ba bi a ye de on be court na de mra no sene ne o maka na sense om no be ko so om dis can be bo om de aba no ano no simple
that was when they went to the tiamari da yenia Emmanuel Dako wo she chire ho no ye production na mame o de eyibia send me ho eye ensamo a President Mahama kan ye no mame hwe say me de be send SARFO a da SARFO ayemwa na about the stupid comment no you know you better ask for your contribution towards your show for God and country or your mind bapa na also you UPSC no but na ha kan say a whole fee na adema a whole fe no school nkoda no wo mo dressing a wo mo dressing titru emema no Ose emema no. Debi na say ose emema dress na come pa. Debi o na say ye kan ho fe asem ade ya afefe de asem. Na ose emema no dressing no in fact dutwem. And too much as well smart one.
Ne course or children no say or the ahon fe na ma mema
me ba to asem we nyina no ntwanto so na me twa to no so me abochi abeti me na nu a me ko kan ye
ya mo wa sa we na ma tie
de biti
na ma say asam na ho kan eye you man e kan
enu me na me ka say me ba school mu ho da ho fe yi na ade ama school no mu emu ofre ne eye emema na omo address no na me kasa akoda na manoko pipe say emma no na mu so bi wa event me kasa mo mani best kakra sisi Endpoint homeopathic clinic or say the end to chronic diseases. Me ba just ultimate can wi na yade bi adokro wa che oji nwanji yare da ho ya obi anya stroke nyudwie ana yare boni bi nipa no wa kampem no ntimi nje no ho a me pa cho endpoint homeopathic clinic yade bia Dr. Dubuaten ebesa wo yade ama wankase wo hu say obon ho modern ana adeba kwa Dr. Dubuaten ya me ni so kese pa na say was it mfa hu ni bebia wo mobile clinic a ewo kemu enti ufre ne pa onu atu ni ka aba ofie aba be hwe yade na friend number we so 0244 867068 0244 867068. So this is the number obetimi a friends yare bia sempo no we oba opeso fefru we bema kapilpil and about so and now junso a now junso no mu chemienu me pacho wa hawa wo brebo wuntini mu yade efutu a wode be mawo ni enupa wode be mawo no me pacho ho beto pa enti endpoint homeopathic clinic there me to omo so abasori prekope wanya akwanhye bi afa na wote apo wonantie no nhye dan koye ohia physiotherapy session ana ohia massage papa pa dia edin ye endpoint homeopathic clinic wo me cha kwan e wo spintex kwan no so akra haya yo baby a friend shell signboard do a bisa Dr. Dubuaten cha kwan na obi a be kire eduane wo wei ukodi aduan boni a obenya typhoid udi aduan boni a wo yembetu aduan boni wo hoi etimi da ne poison e di mani pedua no na ukodi aduan boni a yamfa kwan paso amfa nye amfa no aduane no se ukohwe obi a wo ye tomatoes abomu kohwe tomatoes apro jene apro niema nche dan koye a me pacho hunu se uya nya yade bi afra ne typhoid eti pacho se wotemen kan da wie ena nwumre ya no be de aduan pa Hajia special local foods me pacho den actually Hajia why then Deputy CEO NPA they friend say
Dr. Dramani Bukari.
Oh, I mean, perfect. Oh, Charlie, what was this? I can say, I'm an NPA Deputy CEO new Efrimuno, Dr. Bukari. Yamin fan the cram and see. I don't think they be a catch them say, trust in ye, dear. You enjoy any demu you. You don't need him. Obedience party a Hajia special local foods. One nam a quine passo and then one a diane. Unsua wodi aduane no me pacho se utu ko hwe tank ni mu a ebufi Hajia special local foods wona ma huni die kwan so papa ana inu na nuane ne nuane ne hote ana nuane na so no artificial spices no ndoso natural spices akakadro hwentia prepre ani de kaka ho no de wie enti pacho de aduan pa na sese onipadua na onipadua nya hoden banku ni nkrumankwan ye papa bi banku ni tilapia ye papa bi tuo zafi ma hwebi woni mande tuo zafi papa bi watching jollof rice, fried rice, apapa, eduane bia, upeduane tiapodia, Haja special local foods. But just say we program, be say abandon to a year, and I say we wedding be, and I'm we in bia over here near order and kweti Haja special local foods. Ne no border from the duane ye day. Udin the duane so ema ne peduana ya asa. Hwehwe ne cha kwan ewa hacho. Owo atomic ekwan so bia ben transition funeral home. Na onye adwuma from Monday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Na ohwehwe omo abefo ntentamfidie no so a me patoko Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Na akọ nyina na de obehwehwe ane se ohwehwe Haja special local foods. Patro so person your order bia number be phrase sini 024 63 59921 024 SOMPA FM 63 59921. Friends, no see our number we so now one can be fairly good. Haja special local foods or say bien papa fie. One will say who did the and over here in Shia was one more. In Shia no more yen so that then so la and so baba you would da. In Shia says in the pedria, in so be all crowd no more. Unserenku. And more we didn't ye come strong. And the majority men can be ya. In Shia may come from Mauno and ye casa natural mineral water. In Shia no more. One casa also one Monsieur Ming a quenchu test. Na e mani peduane etimi be ye mono so wunyini bebrea and you feel like rejuvenating her ye kasa natural mineral water na beje wo enti wo ye parties wo ye weddings wo ye funeral ye friends eyiyo bia me pacho bomodin na kope kasa natural mineral water ye won bottle mu de wo ho ye won sachet and ye wo dispensers na essence wo mu na makwan paso a wo mu ye wo nsuo ntino Ghana Standards Authority for Agia to almost say bam. Food and Drugs Authority for Agia to almost say bam. And in Batway, Bomoding Nakope a Yakasa natural mineral water. A Yama Fibia Cocoto Sache water, Bibisham ne fium, but we the entesa bottle and muda clear. And sure, you say water is tasteless, but we know, I send somebody near and running Yamaka friend to Numa, Uti Che Kakra. Ayen sure aye papa aye man koda aye man penyin aye mo bia me patcho bomodin na frek Saloma Ventures I was 020-6469-430 again call them on 030-3965-780 hwehwe mo cha kwan e wo typhi kra bebia e wo back hospital echiwa kasa natural mineral water so refreshing mami sanka say RSYD Novigi Studios. Whoa, we are the premier destination for professional photography and film production. Then I'm a patchery. So we call a Hollywooda. One studio so mudi chomu sini no bino. A bini ediabe PM I won't cry ha. A dear that's what a RSYD Novigi Studios. It caters for all your creative needs. And who you'll be a sini. Who you'll be a social media videos. And now you'll be a podcasting. Oh yeah, a professional backdrop, yeah. Where you have to go to, RSYD Novigi Studio. On your thing. Photo shoot now, pana. Video taking now, pana. Una was shepherd, what we be, yeah. Omecha kwang ewa kra, malam, abasi, ewa first Kokro Street, and also. If you really want to create something that is extraordinary, then believe you me, RSYD Novigi Studios. But your to from 057 47 15 778 057 47 15 778. When you are boafwa, wobaso asene enne for God and country you medino yere bro. Or don't force di bi dia base. Wope ehechema hall self-contained apartment ewo Tesano K-boat Ashalam down and Asa Beka. Also here agent in Sambia. Say Bentia or agent. Also here number I'll bet me a friend 0547 0547 0544 79 7447 When numbers are betting me afraid so. And then me bombarding the many echo share. I have filling stations. I would have a fool no was up again. I drive for a casa. Now before me fa course no dear. Dear I am president. Mama. A baby oka and sambia oka twe mu no. Ah, a response to Martin Amidino. San komono. Me pese yenko na yenko tie di okan just to settle the scores before I pick the calls.
Amidu goes and presents a Japa shares, a Japa investigation. And I thought he was man enough. You go, they say investigate a Japa, present a report in a Japa. If you've investigated Airbus, present a report on Airbus. But in the Japa report, you know that it's going to be damning of this government. You go and put one paragraph there about Airbus. Nobody asked you about Airbus. If you were man enough, present a Japan and do a report on Airbus, separate. And then I'll come as a man and answer you on Airbus. If you think that I'm indicted on Airbus, accuse me directly. But because he's a coward, and they knew that a Japan was going to be discussed today, because he was a coward, and he knew that they were going to discuss a Japan, so put a paragraph on Airbus to equalize the discussion. I mean, what stupidity is this?
What stupidity is this?
So that act that Midu did, I mean, what kind of stupidity?
Yes, man.
President John Dramani, open the word stupid the country.
Yeah. What about Domo? What about stupid? Hello, good evening. Now what to say? Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Hey! Na atizan.
All that go to work in life. Come market. Delegate Amokotuaba, Obana will your coffee. No, the water, and the Trabamano. Watch it, and what you have a communication director and I just suka.
Me pacho we dia buncha nipa miensa. Yes. Me te unkapa.
Oh, what is here our boy? The president, Mama. What is here our boy? The go to papa, but they are going to my. And that the party to a man. And you know what one you know. I didn't know what one way you never be allowed to do. And then over here, what you do, Galamsi. You have to come to work to look at Galamsi. No, I think going to the but they told me, I don't know what I'm going.
Hey, me that's it.
Let us be a mini banga. I want to get only a child to a year now. What would be a book?
Mammy Nasi. Yeah, me that's it. Hello, good evening.
Oh,
yes.
Collins.
Hey, Collins, I'm Amole. Me pacho, Mammy Tio.
Abo amanye se yakoponya adoma deputy communication officer.
Oh, okay. All right. Deputy communications officer. Oh.
Aye.
Ewo MPP.
Okay then.
Ewo MPP. hey, be sorry. NDC. Kafra. Ben se me nka just watch out.
Oh, me man congratulations. Oni kana mi so be bi ni. O ye ni passe me Canada. Se maka ona no ye former chief executive on the honorable Timotechi. O ye ni papa. Ono de me catch so be bi ni has down as organizer. Ana omo secretary no so o mari. Ono so the man secure papa.
All right, we are talking to you.
Next time me fra MPP bi afa.
Oh, I know the Manu na fun me.
That's time I no fun.
Me da say.
Aha, be yet me see mapa.
Me da say. Collins Amamole, Mami Tio.
Share let's say amanyo ayeye. Say you be e bon homode wa situation bi mu a. Mo ye mfan san threatening no. Ana ye ba. Ana ye samije from day one. Now your man grant you way appointment and MPP for 2 many scenes so. When you nipa, samije fijuma oh boy ye so my way. Sure, me definitely this in it. And yeah, baka we are train ubeka. But what to say obi sum e wo former party. Now the dia. Now opposition MPP with a yeba. What me from the dia for samije for this say. And branu and was so happy. I'm not watching in running in it. I'm the obo, and you say, it can be a shit, it can be a say. You cannot walk on a yampa, say yampo, and return, and you don't say yampa, and you have to punch up immediately. And
Mammy Nasi, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, me Pachawana, I'm in the Casay. All right, court is so to my NTA. I'm gonna say.
The myself, sir, 8 years. They will send me a multitude and Yama a Pansani. Oh, my goodness. And the FPP at the say, I will try. The trouble sent them for 8 years under you. Oh, Yawa wouldn't get a for well, man, we're going to be able to you're not you. And the FPP for say democracy. So that's what we
and Neminia Koti, Yan Common, Yan Fan Faho. Hello, good evening. Yes. May I say, my
international chairman, you are honorable ABOTCHIE Egapo. I'm incoming guitar woman organizer. I am a perpetual Ashanti. And I'm in chair, I still maintain you are Paka, the Pascal Secretary. ABOTCHIE, the Owale Oba, not Otonkuku Aboka. Obani yoba pa obetini amo edi ewa babum tire se uja sa oba no ene sisemi gem ekoton go emo mani boka na mo fie mo na ba so mo na ma se kwaye den ABOTCHIE
me too
I am and the say good board abo manika should be a home account for me se omo ka dia ne ayade a wato gold edikele gom botom edegom conference law on personal property and man conference
and no dear you can't say that because there's no evidence to that effect please
yeah but
sure
almost more kind and I am say God aboka mix from yourself and the thing them 40,000 meeting what can change I am from more kind and I got ABOTCHIE
going in
only two put together when you. Then the apples get up with your because the ocean was sharp. So the mama as check and force it, or mama can afford you, raise getting agenda. No, inflation out of dollar of any inflation from dollar of from Zampa, but the food air for so. Instant of food, and the moment you can afford months what chum kai never shall not go for 50 months chum kai yeah you must have because
Mamina say so by thank you so much. Hello, good evening. Yamia, hey, Nana Mariana.
Pacho Medina na mama the rose queen of the airways me NDC cinema pa.
Oh.
The voice in there say why Pacho.
Hey, Nana my tea wo fichire ho. Wo tea wo fichire ho.
The voice in there to send me Nana man the voice in there.
Yo, me that say queen of the airwaves. Me dem say who Ashama ho. Ashama Lebanon. Okay, that's fine. My intel. Chani Pamieno.
Yo maminsha emos blessing. Only Gitaka Regional Youth Organizer. Yamia Domine Yapunyana, Oba Gitaka Regional Secretary.
All right.
Let's delegate omission and Yam. Namasha George Kajetimia, Oyejumao, Portrait Mining. Mina Bema, the person is cut to be chairman Yanomo MP before saying. Okia Oponi, whom you are paying mu. So what the song would you on one no when you best in it Panisqua. Yakupo on Fancho Mutia. So would you many best to make your sister? Yakupo found when you were yet to do. So would you want no best to make your sister? Yakupo one no betcha.
Debbie, and would be Debbie, I say, Ubi, I don't know, Debbie Yabutre. Uka say, okay, I'll perform a bunch of young girl performance. Nobody will not sing it to a cut anyone is one. Yakupo on Fancho, because some agency, Linia, or your entity in Kotia. I see the country entity for some 20 posts to put on one party on the Gawa Bank in the Suru, Omunjai, and yet I have put on the and a many of them. President Mama. Oh, you said the party was an emotion of the man appointment law, and I would tell this government here. Now, 22 to not take them very well. Who 8 years after Kana was song over 200 again almost million or man. And you can tell now 8 years. I think 3 years, 2 years old. And then I've Papa. Perform very well. Mammy Nasi, my queen of the airways, Mammy Nasi. Syria callers in our queen, no. Or no, see you. And Yamina made it to so, Yabutre, or no, see, and Yamina made it to so. Because all dinner baby are free.
What was that? 2 minutes. Let me cut down seconds. Like I said,
Manauba Mintio, Pantan Village.
Paso, a chair Musabo, and another beach.
Good.
Miss Lawana, Minister of the Soanyako. And next, some of the big criticizing here, and now we have the name, they become say, over Trump, one if a Jimba, China, he said, or yes, from Sobia, Yasik. Now, but you call me now, some of your 50 mission, short mission, some of the wood drop. Obianda, and the attacker. Sasa na oye operation adwuma ele ta mi ja fi wa tongo da boka obi tongo ko mo ka fi o to mo ka wa tongo da boka ye ka mo se oye adwuma papa sabi yo oye adwuma to na ye na de ka ko na ade so oye de nya me ye ka mo se mo ma ye nkin so say object to come adata na wo ye candidate na wo tu bi anta mana ta wo ye opposition leader wo tu bi anta say stupidity and na ko bi ka ta am ye do do man mama ne ni ko 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 chi sa te wa Manauba. Why? Bedasi. One. They be one share contempt be found. Hey, Baramba, that's why I don't watch who see it. Why? Good. Hello, good evening. Yeah, me pacho wana menene kasi. Yo, eja kwa bran pacho ma entiwe. Sure. Yeah.